Dear student friends, in this lecture we are going to see more about permutations, composition of permutations, notation of permutations. Notation. Suppose consider a permutation F on three symbols 1, 2 and 3 defined by f of 1 is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 1, f of 3 is equal to 3. So this is a permutation because this is a 1-1-1-2 function from the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 to 1, 2, 3 from this set. This is a 1-1-1-2 function. Clearly this is 1-1-1-2 function. This function, this permutation or bijective function, in notation we can denote this. In notation we can denote this permutation as permutation F is equal to, see here, these are the symbols, this is permutation on the symbols 1, 2, 3 symbols, and F is equal to 1 and image of 1, F of 1 under F of 2, F of 3. If we know the images of each symbol, then we know this permutation is completely determined. So this is 1, 2, 3. What is f of 1? F of 1 is 2. What is f of 2? F of 2 is 1. What is f of 3? F of 3 is 3. So this is the short notation for a permutation on three symbols. What this gives? This is a permutation on three symbols 1, 2, 3. Image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 1 and image of 3 is 3. So this is the notation for permutation. Permutations are denoted by Greek letters sigma to etc, alpha, theta, sigma to etc. Consider another example. Sigma is equal to what we have? Sigma is equal to, consider another example of permutation sigma sigma on three symbols 1, 2, 3 defined by sigma of 1 is 2, sigma of 2 is 1 and sigma of 2 is 3 and sigma of 3 is, sigma of 1 is 2, this is 1. So in notation how we can denote this? In notation this sigma is, sigma is equal to 1, 2, 3, here sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, sigma 1 is 2, sigma 2 is 3, sigma 3 is 1. This is a permutation sigma. This is a short notation for a permutation. Question: find all permutations on two symbols two symbols 1, 2. Find all permutations on two symbols 1, 2. Now we are going to list all the permutations on two symbols. We are listing all permutations on two symbols. So, how we can list? Let S2 denotes the set of permutations on two symbols 1, 2. So how we can list all the permutations, all the 1, 1 and auto functions? See here, sigma 1 is equal to 1 goes to 1. First one is 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2. We have taken image of 1 as a same, image of 2 as a same. This is called the identity permutation. Whose image is itself. Whose image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2. So another permutation on two symbols is sigma 2 is equal to, how you can take that? 1, 2, because this is a permutation on two symbols. Now we have taken here image of 1 is 1, now we take image of 1 is 2 and image of 2 is 1. So sigma 1 and sigma 2 are the permutations on two symbols. These are the only two permutations on two symbols. So therefore S2 is what? Therefore S2 contains only sigma 1 and sigma 2. What is S2? S2 is a set of all permutations on two symbols. What is Sn? Sn is set of all permutations on n symbols 1, 2, 3 and so on n. Next question is, list all elements of S3. Means how many permutations are there on three symbols. Find all the permutations on three symbols. That is find all permutations on three symbols. Then how you can find solution? See here, the set N3 contains 1, 2, 3. This is N3. Now we are going to find all permutations on these three symbols 1, 2, 3. First we will take identity permutation. Sigma naught is identity permutations. Sigma naught, image of each element is itself. 1, 2, 3. We have taken image of 1 as 1 because this is the identity permutation. Image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3. This is the identity permutation. Sigma 1. How you can find out sigma 1? 1, 2, 3. Take image of, here we have taken here image of 1 as 1. Take image of 1 as 2. Then image of 2 as 3. Image of 3 as 1. This is sigma 1. Sigma 2. 1, 2, 3. Just assign, we have taken image of 1 as 2 here. Now we have to take image of 1 as 3, image of 2 as 1 and image of 3 as 2. These three are the permutations. And next, sigma 3 is equal to, see here, take image of 1 as 1, image of 2 and 3 just interchange. Image of 1 as 1, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 2. This is one permutation. Again, sigma 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Take image of 2 as 2. Image of 2 as 2. So, image of 1 as 3. Image of 3 as 1. The last one permutation, sigma 5 is equal to image of 1, 2, 3. Fix image of 3 as 3. So, just interchange image of 1 as 2, 2 as 1. These are the 6 permutations on 3 symbols. These are the 6 permutations on 3 symbols. S3 is equal to, S3 means set, this is a set containing all permutations on 3 symbols. So this is just sigma naught. Sigma naught is always an identity permutation. Sigma naught, sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, sigma 4, sigma 5, sigma 6. This is S3. Can you list all elements of S4? Take one remark, we will prove later on. Number of permutations on n symbol. How many permutations on n symbols are there? Number of permutations on n symbols is equal to n factorial. There are n factorial permutations. So, what is the cardinality? So, order of S3 or cardinality of S3, that is, this is equal to number of permutations on n symbols. On n symbols, this is equal to 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. We have already find out the 6 permutations on 3 symbols. So what is the order of S4 then? Order of S4 is 4 factorial, that is 24. So S4 contains 24 permutations. So you can list all permutations on 4 symbols S4. Okay, thank you.